This year's Department of Mental Health awardee for exemplary performance for clinical collaboration with law enforcement goes to Richard Collins with the Brien Center. Richard has worked over 5 years as a clinical co-responder with the Pittsfield Police Department and has provided clinical assistance to other Berkshire County police departments, including Dalton Police Department. He was co-nominated by the police chiefs of Pittsfield and Dalton, Chief Wynn and Chief Strout, respectively. Throughout his 5+ years doing this work, he has responded to over 3,300 calls for service. He has worked with the police to divert avoidable arrests and unnecessary ED admissions, saving the Commonwealth countless dollars. More importantly, he has assisted people and families in crisis get the help they need. Richard has worked tirelessly to be a boundary spanner between mental health and law enforcement. He has provided training to officers on the most effective ways to communicate with people in crisis. Richard's efforts put co-response on the radar in Western Mass and whetted law enforcement and communities' appetites for other similar diversion efforts. Since his initiation in this, many other police departments in Western Mass have acquired clinicians. He has been not only a leading voice and ambassador for co-response out here, but really has all the attributes one would like for a co-responder. He is seasoned, even-handed, thoughtful, naturally works well with people, has a great clinical mind, and works wonderfully with law enforcement. Please join me in congratulating Richard Collins. Here you go on behalf of DMH. Thank you.
Thank you, John, for those kind words. I've watched you in the community, and I want to thank you for all of the work that you have done in this region of Western Mass. I also want to thank Chief Wynn and Chief Strout for nominating me. It's quite an honor, and I honestly don't know what to say about that. I know most of the co-responders throughout the Commonwealth and the jail diversion clinicians, and I know of their expertise and their hard work that they've done as well in other communities. And it's been a fine example for us here to create this program. It's really an honor to be selected amongst that elite group of clinicians that I have met throughout Massachusetts. So I want to thank you very much for all of what you've said and what you've done to help this program here in Berkshire County. I appreciate it very much.